And it's finally here, guys. Today I'm welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new 2023 model Mercedes-Benz GLC, and in today's video I will be giving you a full tour of this new SUV. As you guys remember, I showed you the all new GLC last year and you were already asking about the coupe version, and finally it's here. We will be doing a full walk around of this car right in front of us. I will be showing you the entire exterior. Afterwards we will be checking out the interior, and then we will be finishing it all off with a resume. So starting to talk about the exterior, here we have the beautiful AMG line option with the gorgeous graphite gray exterior paint. We have no night package, and the front is already comparable to what we know from the SUV. Therefore we will be starting the walk around from the rear. So let's get it on. And here we have it, guys. This is it, the all new GLC Coupé. Finally it's here, and this is how the rear looks. Wow, what do you guys think about it? Let me just give you a closer look. I mean, just looking at these shoulders, the new and updated tail lights, looks extremely sporty in addition with the graphite gray exterior paint. How do you guys like it? What's your first opinion? Let me just give you a closer look. Here we have the updated rear tail lights. Very slim and nice design, extremely sharp, also looking extremely sporty in my eyes. How do you guys like it? And then we have this extension here. We have no lights integrated here, just for the looks. And then as soon as we continue over here, we have the nice line of the GLC Coupé, and also the rear looks very, very sporty. I love the proportions. And then we have this rear kind of wing looking super interesting. So how do you guys like it? In addition to that, we have the rear diffuser and the exhaust tips. These are unfortunately not real, as you can see. These are just covers, full finished in chrome, as you already see. It looks very sporty right over here. Then if you want to open up the trunk, you just push the star, and then you can have a look inside. We have a lot of space in the inside, even though we have a hybrid model here. And you can also put the seats down in the front of us. We'll be focusing on the interior in a minute. So let me just close the trunk again, and then you can see the cool movement. So how do you like the rear of the all new GLC Coupé? Let's start focusing on the side view of this, and then you can already appreciate the Coupé line and the bold shoulders of this GLC Coupé. Keep in mind, this is just the base version of the GLC Coupé, and I already know there's going to be the AMG models coming soon, and I can't wait to see this rear in addition with the quad exhaust tips and a wider body. Can't wait what we will be seeing from AMG and the Falterbach in the future. As I mentioned, we have no night package, therefore the frames are finished in chrome. Also we have the side step, which is optional, is also aero improved. The side mirror, as you can already see, is the same with the GLC SUV. Back in the days it used to be over here, and now they've moved it onto the door part to reduce wind noises, and it's also good for aerodynamics. Here you can also appreciate the gorgeous line of the GLC Coupé and the shoulders. In the rear we have the AMG line wheel options here. We have 20 inches here, full black gloss finish. I really love the multi-spoke wheels. As we have a hybrid option right over here, you can charge the GLC from this side. There we go. We have the AC charger here, as you can see, but there's also an option to go for the DC charger and to charge it with 60 kilowatts. Let's continue and move forward. Here in the front, again, 20 inches, full black gloss finished AMG multi-spoke wheels. I really love them. Black gloss finish. Looks super, super cool in addition with the graphite gray exterior paint. With the AMG line, we also have all these side fenders finished in exterior paint, which I really appreciate. I love this a lot. You can also see that here by the rear. Gorgeous. And now we will be talking about the front. So here we have it. There are just a few differences when we talk about the GLC SUV and GLC Coupé when talking about the front. I mean, let's start with the headlights. The headlights are exactly the same as we have with the SUV. Here we have the optional digital light headlight unit. You can also go with the high performance LEDs. But if you're going to get yourself a GLC, trust me, go ahead and invest that money. Digital light headlight unit is just the best. Then talking about the front grille, here we have the nice Mercedes-Benz star pattern, which we also know from the SUV. But there is a difference. When you go for the AMG line, you have this, but Also, when you go for the non-AMG line progressive line, you also have the star pattern with the coupe only. Then, for example, if you go with the night package, you will have these finished in black, and we have the 3D star emblem here in the front, looking really cool with the front camera. All in all, as we have the AMG line, we also have the sporty looking front bumper here. Since we have no night package, this is still finished in chrome. But if you go with the night package, it will be fully blacked out. I really love it, and I can't wait to see the AMG version of the GLC and the GLC Coupe in specific. But now it will be time to talk about the interior, so let's just go ahead and step inside. Since we have the keyless go option, we still have the door handles finished in chrome, even if you have the night package. But now it's time to talk about the interior. So it's now time to focus on the interior of the all-new GLC Coupe, but as you already see, we have no big changes when you compare it with the SUV model, but let me just give you a closer look also about the spec we have here. Mercedes-Benz entrance board, since we have the AMG line also with the AMG floor mats, and then we have the nice saddle brown interior with the black leather, looking really cool. I love this spec. Even here on the door handles, we have this 3D part, and around that we have the ambient colors. We have the Burmester speaker covers as well, and in the inside a very sporty looking AMG line interior trim. So let's just jump inside and let me give you a closer look. We are now inside the all new GLC Coupe. Let me just start the ignition for you. There we go. We have the head-up display, as you can already see, and then we have the display unit, which we already know. All the GLC Coupes come with a display. You just have two options to go with a bigger display, with a 12.7 inch if I'm not mistaken, and with the smaller one. This is also comparable to what we've already seen with the C-Class interior-wise. And then we have this carbon look interior trim, which I really like. Looks very sporty. And then as soon as you open that up, you can already see that this whole unit is tilted towards the driver. It's 6 degrees tilted towards the driver. You can see that by the gap, it's not straight. We have two cup holders in the inside. As soon as you push your cup inside, just look, it just moves around it. And USB-C charger, wireless phone charging as well. Close that back in. We have the interior ambient lighting coming from factory on every GLC, and you have 64 different colors to choose from. As we have the AMG line interior option here, we have the flat bottom AMG steering wheel, also with the perforated leather. I really like it and looks pretty decent. Also the seats here comparable to what we've already seen with the C-Class. Nice saddle brown interior with the black leather. I'm a huge fan of it. And then there's one thing that a lot of GLC Coupe customers criticized back in the days, and it's this. Now finally coming with the GLC Coupe, we have the panorama sunroof here, giving us a lot of light in the inside. I really love it. I completely appreciate it finally. Then here in the back seats, guys, you have a lot of space. Also these are finished in leather. Also here the door panels with the ambient colors and the optional seat heating. You have also the seat heating here for the front passengers, obviously. And all in all, guys, how do you like the inside of this GLC Coupe, the 2023 model interior? Just leave it all in the comment section below. But all in all, it's actually a copy and paste of the SUV version, and you somehow know it from my previous videos. Anyways, that's it from the interior. Let's just jump outside and finish it off with a resume. Let's go. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like the all new 2023 model Mercedes-Benz GLC Coupe? Would you rather go for the Coupe or the SUV version? Please share it in the comment section below. I'm a huge fanboy of the Coupe version. It looks super sporty in my eyes. How do you like the new rear design of the GLC Coupe? Can't wait to read your comments in the comment section below. I really can't wait to share some more information regarding the engine, the price and the driving in the future, so stay tuned for that. All in all, I think they did a great job with the design here. Already looking forward to see you all again. By the way, this is the key if you don't already know it. Wish you an amazing day and looking forward to see you all again. I will be back